Since the park reopened, one ride has noticeably been closed. Off into the corner of DC Universe is Flash Vertical Velocity, which many park guests have been wondering, why is it closed? And all of you have been asking me. So let's talk about why Flash Vertical Velocity will not be operating this season. The park is struggling to staff the park's currently open offerings, so having another ride that's often overlooked by the majority of visitors isn't ideal right now. So even if the ride was able to be running right now, I feel it would still be closed. The park has confirmed this theory many times, once on Instagram saying that it will be open for the fourth quarter, and then again on their website, except this time it has been listed for closed for season. This is because the ride is supposed to receive new trains, and they also might be touching up on the launch, because there are many ladders in the station right now. To all of you wondering and asking why Flash Vertical Velocity has been closed all season, there you go. The actual reason Flash Vertical Velocity will be closed for the rest of the season. If you enjoyed the video, you found it informative or helpful in planning your trip, please consider liking the video. It really helps the channel out. Also, I do content like this all the time, so consider subscribing and turning notifications on so you don't miss any of my videos. Have a great rest of your day because you've hit the brake run.